Alright guys, this is a base test for our new Desert Gator, or DT-02. Getting the track ready. We upgraded CVAs. I think I got to check the oil in them because they seem a little bouncy for CVAs. So it's, ooh. And we are going to upgrade this to brushless. Ooh. And it is wet, so like I said, it seems a little bouncy. Ooh, nice. Yeah. Oop. Oh, that's awesome. I might have to mess with the steering a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, I can double that. I can double that easy. Especially I throw a smaller 28 series in this. Definitely doesn't need a 3600, but a smaller 28 series, throw this car around real easy. But I'm digging it. So I think mess with the shocks a little bit. Now this car is also entered in our CW01 Creations speed run competition. Oh, flip. So what I gotta do here, you see how it's always flipping. Gotta take that edge and cut that so that it's even. See that part rotted. I could keep piling it up, but it still makes it flip a little over time. So better just head it off at the pass. For this is a pretty car. I dig it. It's my DT-02 racing chassis. The way I look at it. Ooh. Yeah, see how much tighter it turns the one way than the other? You gotta figure that out. Oh, looks like we dropped the GPS. Ooh, it is back heavy. I think part of that's because of the bounciness of the shocks. Like I said, I'll go over it again, and then we'll do the upgrade for the I hit that. That's so awesome. I'll do the upgrade with the brush. We'll get her going. Just a little quick rip. Hopefully you guys dig, like and subscribe and all that. And I'll see you when I see you. Peace out, guys.